Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The last has not been heard on the lingering royal crisis between the Olu of Warri, Ogiame Atuashe III, and the embattled Ayiri Emami over the Ologbotsere title, and indeed the authenticity of the succession process and installation of Ogiame Atuashe III as the 21st Olu of Warri Kingdom. If the Olu thought that his action of April 16, 2023, when he invited Chief Ayiri Emami to the palace for reconciliation, but ended up appointing someone else as the new Ologbotsere, was going to put an end to the royal rumble in Warri Kingdom, the Olu definitely thought wrong, as the lingering crisis is now escalating. In fact, the entire Ologbotsere family, led by Pa Hickson Oporokun, the Olarebi of Ologbotsere Eyemisanre descendants of Warri Kingdom, have now gone to court to challenge outrightly, as it were, the authority of the Olu to appoint Chief Oma Eyewoma as the new Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom without their consent. The family, which approached a Warri High Court, are seeking, amongst other things, a declaration from the court that it is only the Ologbotsere Eyemisanre descendants of Warri Kingdom that can select and nominate any candidate to fill the vacant position of the Ologbotsere Eyemisanre chieftaincy stool. They are also asking the court for an order setting aside for being null and void the purported appointment of Chief Oma Eyewoma as Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom in April 2023, as it is contrary to and inconsistent with the custom and tradition of the Shekiri people and the provisions of the Traditional Rulers and Chiefs Edict of Bendel State in 1979. It will be recalled that between 2016 and 2017, Chief Ayiri Emami and Chief Oma Eyewoma both presented themselves as interested candidates for the then vacant Ologbotsere stool of Warri Kingdom. They were both screened and interviewed by the family, after which the family selected Chief Ayiri Emami and presented him to the then Olu of Warri, Ogiame Ekenwole I, who consequently installed Chief Ayiri Emami as the Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom, in a ceremony that had all the trappings of aristocracy and royalty. According to the spokesman of the Ologbotsere descendants worldwide, Comrade Alex Enyego, the Olu of Warri, Ogiame Atuashe III, cannot appoint any other person to the Ologbotsere chieftaincy stool while Chief Ayiri Emami is still alive, as the chieftaincy position is for life.
What came out from the palace came to us as a rude shock, and we see it as not in tandem with extant laws, in tandem with the Shekiri culture, in tandem with the Shekiri tradition. The Ologbotsere was made Ologbotsere on the recommendation of the family, was now confirmed by the then Olu of Warri, His Majesty Ogiame Ekenwole, the 20th Warri monarch. And in Ishekiri custom and tradition, even once you give a chief, just an ordinary chief, not principal chief, a title, and in line, and the Shekiri culture and tradition I'm talking about is well captured in this book by a retired justice, Justice Rufus Ogbobine. The Ologbotsere Descendants Union worldwide reject outrightly and absolutely the vibes that came from the palace, to the effect that the Olu of Warri has derobed the Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom, Chief Ayiri Emami. We stand by and with Chief Ayiri Emami, and we pass a vote of confidence on him as the Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom. The Ologbotsere Descendants Union worldwide will swim and sink with Chief Ayiri Emami as the Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom.
No doubt in the coming days, weeks, months, or even maybe years, a lot more will unravel in this royal rumble between the Olu of Warri and the Ologbotsere family on the one hand, as well as Ayiri Emami and the Guinea One ruling house on the other. Of course, inside the Niger Delta, we'll continue to bring you all the updates in this needless and controversial royal crisis in the 500-year-old Warri Kingdom.
Inside the Niger Delta,